Kasama ko naman ngayon si Ramon Christie.
Yes, sir. Morning. Good morning.
Kaya ba yung mga apelido mo, Christie?
Ayan. Mga taga-Maris doon, mga mababait.
Si Ramon ang isa sa mga Maris 83. Members siya ng organizing committee nitong Shoot Fest natin. And I understand na si Ramon Christie ang isa sa mga naging masigasig na paghanap ng mga sponsors natin dito.
Yeah, I was able to get sponsorship from Santiago Fiber Force. So they manufacture mga accessories like holsters, rigs, gun bags, tactical pants, jerseys. Yeah. They're based in San Mateo. They're a major supplier of PNP. So they make good quality products.
Hindi ba mahirap silang kunin yung sponsor dito?
Madali naman kausap si Mr. Santiago. Yeah.
Meron ka bang mga sponsor na gusto mo pang maabot na hindi mo pa naabot?
Yes, yeah, I guess it'll be good to get yung mga gun manufacturers naman. Like we have several in the Philippines, Armscore, Shooters, Metro Arms. Yan. They make quality firearms which are already exported abroad. And they're good to get the sponsors kasi magbibigay silang price mga firearm units, diba? So nice prices, diba? Everybody would want one for free.
Have you tried reaching out to them?
No, not yet. Maybe in the next event kasi ngayon medyo late in the game ako nag-participate dun dito sa organizing events kasi medyo busy rin. Yeah.
Marami ding ibang mga shoot fest, diba, na ibang events. Now, siguro ang question ko is bakit sila maganda na dito mag-sponsor sa Maris 83 Shoot Fest or other events ng Maris 83?
It's good. It's good advertisement for them. Especially today is a good day because I think our Shoot Fest is the only PPSA sanction for the day. So you'll see a lot of shooters came in today. Even so, Mr. Jetro Dujmisho and the other professional shooters around. So it's a good day. Good day for sponsors.
So I'm assuming na shooter ka rin.
Candid, weekend shooter.
Shooter.
Yeah, weekend shooter. Hobbyist.
Ba't pinasok mo itong hobby na to?
Actually, we don't look at it as a hobby. It's more of a discipline. So it's something that you can use in real life, not like especially defending your family, your property, especially these days. You can't rely on other people for your protection. So you might as well learn, and learn it, be disciplined in it. So you know when to use it, how to use it. Yeah.
Professionally, ang ginagawa mo ngayon?
I used to work for an airline. I already retired last year. So now I'm unemployed, professional bum. No. I do small businesses on the side.
Would you like to share yung business mo ngayon? Mukhang pass.
Pass muna, pass.
Sige.
Yeah.
Later, alamin natin.
Yeah, off the record.
Ano yung naging work mo sa airline?
I used to handle IT security for Philippine Airlines.
IT security, I see. Curious ako sa what were you like nung Maris 83 ka?
Of course, young boys, disciplined, masunurin sa teacher, tsaka sa mga pare. Disciplinarian kasi yung mga pare doon sa Maris. The downside of it's all boys, so takes out the fun, unlike co-ed schools.
Ano naging importance sa'yo ng Maris education?
Sorry?
Ano naging importance sa'yo ng Maris education?
Yeah. made you God-fearing? If you're God-fearing, that that would mold you into the right direction, make you a good person. You know?
And right direction, no, na-mention right direction. How can you connect itong event ninyo ngayon, natin ngayon, na as a right direction?
Right direction. Okay. Paano nga ba?
Pinahirapan ko si Ron.
Pinahirapan mo. I thought I was done with the office and school and all, you know. Siguro, like I said, shooting as a discipline, you would learn how to use a firearm, when to use a firearm. Yeah, I guess that's it. Yeah. Hindi ka mukha nung, yeah, you hear lots of news, no, about trigger happy people, no? Just the slight incidences, they would pull out a gun, you know, poke a gun at other people. You know, it just shows an undisciplined firearm holder. So which gives a bad light to the responsible firearms holders.
Nagkaroon ka na ba ng chance to test your discipline sa firearm in real life?
Yes.
Would you like to
almost,
share?
but not, but not quite. There were escaped prisoners from our local jail who, unfortunately, ran to the direction of our backyard. It's a good thing they went down in my neighbor's backyard. Yeah, it was a good thing because I didn't know what kind of criminals this were. It's a good thing, but I was ready for them.
Ready? Did you fire?
No. It's you only fire as a last resort and make sure ikaw yung nasa, I mean, always a last resort.
So given that situation, what was your first resort?
I verbally what's that? I verbally warned them, but it's a good thing they already ran away through my neighbor's gate. That's it. But I already coordinated with the police, no? So we tried surrounding them, but they were able to escape.
So halimbawa ako yung aggressor, ako yung target mo. Anong sabihin mo sa akin? Anong sinabi mo sa akin?
Ano nga ba? I can't recall the exact words, but ano?
Halimbawa ako ngayon, I'm forcing you to engage. Paano yung first resort mo sa akin?
Hindi, ganun naman yan eh. Ganun naman, everybody would resort to life preservation, di ba? So, at the end of the day, I would always want to be the one who's alive. Di ba?
Correct.
Yun lang naman yun eh. Di ba?
Would you like to say, kasi kamusta ang participation ng Maris 83? Kamusta ang participation ng Maris 83 sa mga activities ng batch ninyo?
Batch
ninyo, batch 83. Would you say na ilang percent ang active dito, ilan ang...
The core group, there is a core group who's really dedicating their free time or making free time. Most of them are no are working. So yeah, they could take leaves to be able to finish the shoot fest related activities. And so it's good. The batchmates are dedicated for the success of this event.
Sa evaluation mo, ilang percent na batchmates niyo ang active sa activities ng batch?
It's not that much, but I would say less than 50.
Less than 50.
Yeah.
Would you like to invite yung those mga baka gusto nila maging active din sa Maris 83?
This is not the first and the last month. I guess we'll have successive similar events. So yeah, we'd like more batchmates to participate.
Sige, invite them directly. Baka nanonood sila ngayon.
Bros, hope you join the batch in our next events. Hindi lang tayo Shoot Fest. Alam ko meron pang ibang mga events lined up yung batch. Yeah.
Maybe you'd like to invite Maris na other than batch 83.
Yeah, schoolmates from all batches. Let's help each other's batches for the success of their events. Diba?
Why should we do that?
Maris Brothers, di ba? One for all for one, di ba?
What about yung hindi Marisians? Would you like to invite them to support yung mga activities ng Maris?
Yeah, support and join us, di ba? Para masaya lahat, di ba?
Ayan. So, with me is Ramon Christie. Thank you. Pakinggan natin si Ramon Christie sa kanyang imbitasyon sa inyo. Siguro, I'd like to hear one more time. Ano ang Maris for you? Maris. How important is Maris for you?
Yeah, Maris has been a big part of my life, no? Since I spent my early years there, starting prep till 4th year high school. So I guess it helped shape me up to be a good Christian. Yeah.
Ramon Christie, Rom Kumagon, inviting everybody to be a good Christian and a good shooter din. And a good Maris batchmate. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Anong channel kayo?
Sa YouTube lang, yung YouTube,
Mga channels niya. Ano yun sa'yo?
Rom Kumagon.
Okay.